Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix ChatGPT Play Integrity Verification fail. So if you are facing the issue of ChatGPT Play Integrity Verification fail, this error mainly appears on Android when Google Play Integrity API blocks the app for security reasons. Now, here is how you can fix it. So to fix it, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you just need to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning it on, it helps you to fix the network issues of which are occurring on a device. So after a few seconds, simply turn it off and you just need to check if your ChatGPT is working again or not. So if it is not working, then you just need to go to Play Store on a device and you just need to search the app ChatGPT and see if there is any update available. So if there is any update available, simply update the app, and after updating it, your app will run smoothly. So if it is still not working again, then you just have to go to settings on your Android and click on the option of search and search chat. So after that, you just need to click on the option of ChatGPT, and here you will see the option of storage. So click on it and click on the option of clear cache. So after doing clear cache, it helps you to fix the box or error which are occurring on the app, and also helps you to solve the issue. So that's it. That's how you can fix Play Integrity Verification failed on ChatGPT. Thank you.